Hey everybody, it's Coach Jared Snyder. I want to just let you know, like some things I do with this is I actually am coaching people with their health and fitness, and I just wanted to show you real quick with all these programs. I get people into these programs and help them navigate through them and get healthy themselves. I love this company. There's so many programs out here right now that you can get into. But anyways, as a coach, I love showing people that you got to put in that work to get your results. That like just setting sideline is not gonna do you any good. I mean, you got to put that little work in each day. And then your results will come. They're not going to come just overnight because you do one workout. So I like to go live on my Facebook page and chat with people about programs, and just one of the reasons I like to go live too is I'm a coach and I want to just prove. I just want to be product of the product, like I want to show people that hey, I'm doing this at home, getting results. You can do it too. Like with me going live, I am showing you my struggles. You can chat with me on my Facebook page live and ask me questions. I just like to be available for that period of time when I go live so that I can chat with people. If you're struggling, you can let me know. If you need help with your health and fitness, you can let me know. I just like being there for you guys because that's what I have a passion of helping people live better lives each day. So, but anyways, yesterday I did ended up doing total body core, and a lot of the workout was with weights, and then we did a lot of floor exercises. I'll have a little I'll have a little video on the side showing you kind of like my workout and stuff. But like if you're interested in doing something from home, I have plenty of experience with these programs. I've been doing them almost 2 years, and I would love to have you join my fit family. Come join us with the program. We have 80-day programs. We have 6-week programs. We have week-long programs. But you have to start somewheres if you want to better yourself. You can't just keep on saying, hey, I'm gonna do it tomorrow, because you want to know what, like I said so many times, tomorrow is not guaranteed. And it's start today, man. Your family will love you for it. I got so much energy now, and I'm 3 years I'm going to be 40 years old, and I feel like 18, 19, 20. I mean, I feel young, and it's so nice to have this energy now, because my kids need it. I got a 3-year-old, I got a 5-year-old, I've got an 8-year-old, and I got 11-year-old. Like they need me. I go out and throw a football with them. So I just want to encourage you to go out there and do something. And I would love to be your coach. I would love to help you with getting in a program. Getting up. You could get up each day. Go check your calendar out, because that's what we have, and you could see what you have to do. The guesswork is out. You know what, with these programs you can know what you have to do each and every day. And so you get your day off, cross it off, man. It makes you feel good. I love crossing the days off. It's an accomplishment. And then just make better choices. Choices to eat better, and just make better choices. It's a journey. It's not overnight. It's a journey. But anyways, I just get so excited, and you can tell, like every day I'm at it, because you want to know what, I'm real. I'm gonna help. I want to help you, man. I don't want any more of this unhealthiness. Like I don't want to see bad things happen to you. You can prevent diseases. You can prevent sickness. You just got to take the step of doing it a different way. I believe that diet and exercise go hand in hand with each other, and that if you do that, you can live a good life. You don't need to go out and have that bariatric surgery or anything. You can do it with just exercise and diet. And these programs are so fun and easy, and their trainers are so motivating that you just want to keep doing it. Like, I did more than one program on the Beachbody on Demand, because these trainers just motivate you. Follow some of the, if you're on Instagram or Facebook, I encourage you to follow some of the trainers that Beachbody has. They're so motivating and so inspirational. I mean, we got Sean T. He's pretty amazing. We got Autumn Calabrese. We've got Chris Downing. We got Jericho. We've got Sagi Kevlon. He's a bodybuilder. We got Tony Horton, Shalene Johnson. I mean, these people are amazing. They do this because they want to help you better your life too. But anyways, if you're interested in joining me, getting in a program, and I have groups that once you guys stream from me or join me with getting programs from me, I put you into a group. I don't just throw you sideline and say, "Oh, you want to what? There you go. You're gonna do this all by yourself." No, I'm not like that. You want to what? I will work with you. I will go the distance with you. You want to know what? I want you to join my fit family. I call my fit family the people that are doing these programs, and we are all doing them together. I am growing right now with people joining me. I have monthly groups that I do, challenge groups, where if you do get a program, I'll put you in there. It's with people doing these programs, and we just focus on accountability and changing our lifestyles, and they're amazing. But anyways, you can see that I'm so excited to help you because it's so amazing. Like I said, day in and day out, I'm going to keep doing this. And if you can either join me or you can keep on watching me. But I wish you would join me, because you want to know what? There needs to be a starting point of where you're going to start saying, I need to take care of myself. I need to throw those excuses away, and I just need to take care of myself. But anyways, I hope that you guys are having an awesome day, and I'll have a little clip of my yesterday's workout, and I will leave some links below. And if you have any questions, please leave comments below. Give me any feedback. I love feedback. Also, please share me with your friends and family. It's a passion of mine to help as many people as I can with their health and fitness, and just changing their lifestyles to better themselves each day to reach their full potential. Also, if you want to join arms with me, Team Better You, I would love to have you on my team. I have information that I can help you live a life of freedom just like I am with my coaching job. I won't really call it a coaching job, my coaching lifestyle. And I would love to have you on my team and build this into something big. And but anyways, I'll leave all the info and some links below. And please feel free to contact me on Facebook, Instagram. I'll leave my Hotmail. Just let me know. But anyways, have an awesome day, and God bless you all.